Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar yen just kept on drifting down today. Now, this area over here probably is going to be a pretty good area of support. It was support and resistance in the past, likely to be support and resistance in the future. If this really is the end of a wave Z on the higher time frames, it may end up just bouncing from this area, making like a little bit of a larger pullback and then continuing the higher time frame downtrend. So I would definitely keep an eye on this area. If we get like a nice three-way pullback, like a nice little ABC correction at that area, that I think would potentially be the best next opportunity for a nice short, hopefully for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.